Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to play Halo on your iPad Pro. So I have Halo Infinite right here. My Halo needs an update, but for you hopefully you will do the update. So in order to do this you just need an Xbox console, and on the Xbox console itself we'll need to open up the settings app, and then from here you're going to navigate to devices and connections, remote features, and you're just going to enable remote features. Then on the iPad Pro you're going to load up the App Store, you're going to download the Xbox apps completely free. And then from here, you're going to open up the Xbox app. And once the Xbox app is opened up, for the very first time, it will ask you to enter in your Microsoft account. Use the same account as on your Xbox. Then tap on this little icon here, boom, and then it will show your console. Just select Remote Play, continue, and now you'll be remote playing to your Xbox console. And from here, when you're remote playing, you can play any Xbox game. That includes Halo Infinite, any other Halo game which existed all the way down to the Xbox 360. So Halo Infinite right here, I haven't turned on my Xbox in literal years, well 1 year, something like that. So I do need to upgrade the software for Halo Infinite, but for you, you probably don't have to. It will load up successfully, you'll be playing Halo Infinite no problem. So with that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.